What students should know about the new digital SAT is that it's not like the paper-based version of the test where it's just coming at you just in one paper format. Instead, you're going to be taking it on your laptop. It's a modular adaptive format. And so what that means is essentially you're going to take the first module of the test. I refer to it as the exploratory module because what it's doing is it's, composed of primarily easy, medium questions, and it's asking you, questions in that realm to understand what you know about these particular topics. And then depending on how well you do, you'll be routed to either an easier module or a harder module. And the goal is to get to the harder module so that way you can get as many score points as possible. But that is something that you should note is that the test is going to be adaptive, and your score on module one is really going to determine what module you'll be routed to, whether that's the easy module or the hard module. And to get the highest possible score, you do want to be routed to that harder module.